If you've ever printed a Word document and noticed that the page background colors, pictures, or design elements are showing up when you don't want them to, this video is for you. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable print background colors and images in Word so your documents print cleaner, lighter, and exactly the way you want. This is especially useful if you're printing reports, forms, drafts, or documents where background graphics waste ink or make the page harder to read. If this helps you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple Word tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word and load the document you want to print. Once Word is open, look to the top left corner and click File. This will take you into the Backstage view, where all of Word's main settings are located. From there, scroll down and click Options. The Word Options window will open, and this is where you can control a lot of document and printing preferences. On the left side of the Word Options window, click Display. This section controls how content is shown on your screen and how certain elements behave when printing. Now look for the Printing Options area. Inside that section, you will see a checkbox labeled Print Background Colors and Images. By default, this may be enabled depending on your Word settings or the document you are working on. To turn it off, simply uncheck Print Background Colors and Images. Once that box is cleared, Word will stop printing background fills, page colors, and image-based backgrounds that are set in the document. This is the key step that makes your printouts look cleaner and more professional, especially if you only need the text and main content. After unchecking the option, click OK at the bottom of the Word Options window to save your change. Now your setting is updated, and when you go to print your document, those background colors and images will no longer appear on paper. If you ever want to turn the feature back on later, just repeat the same steps. Go to File, choose Options, click Display, and then check Print Background Colors and Images again. That way you can switch it on or off whenever needed, depending on the type of document you're printing. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to disable print background colors and images in Word in just a few clicks. This is a small setting, but it can make a big difference when you want cleaner printing and less ink usage. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy Word tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.